We're at the dealership here looking at some beautiful bikes. This is a Moto Guzzi. Look at this bobber. Absolutely beautiful. A little small for me, but this is nice. V9 bobber sport. And this is a very nice color. V7 3 racer, Moto Guzzi. This is number 98. Of 200. These are what I call Sunday cruisers, boy. Take these bikes out and for a little cruise. I like the paint on these bikes. Like the little leather strap down the middle of the gas tank. The paint on here is incredible. We got some Kawasaki's over here. Z125, 636, CX6. This bike is so light. I used to have one of these, and they're back to $10,199. That's a really good price for anybody starting off with a bike. Get you a 600, and then got some Aprilias. It's an RR. Then of course they got two Aprilia 1100s. It was, and it's now. So good price. There's the second one. Here's another RR15. And then this bike, when I put this bike on, it got like 7,000 hits like overnight, the first day. This is the Misano edition. It was 18. They got marked down to 17.9. Now it's 16.9. So that's a really good price for that bike. This is a collector bike right here. And the paint is really nice. Paint is really nice. I like. And this is bike number 35. So this is only sold in certain areas or certain regions. The paint is real nice. And there's a 2020 Tuono 1100. And they should be getting, she said they had one 2021 that they got, that was a premiere. They had a premiere, like, but that bike was already sold. Well, she said they'll have some 2021s, should be here this week, so I might have to come back. This is nice because the decal is underneath the paint on here, but then it's above the paint on this part. Very nice, very nice. I just hate how they come with a ton of stickers. But this is a nice bike. You got the Kawasaki 400 up there. So yeah, just thought I'd come up here and check out some bikes. Some more Kawasaki's.